Okay, hi. Let's just get right into it. Today we had a trend from the open, bull trend, nice and surprising. But I broke even on the day. I was expecting a trading range from the open. I made a dumb trade. I think, like, just impatient again. But it's okay. I'm learning. I tried shorting, expecting a reversal down into the trading range. Followed up with a breakout to the upside. It was a little tricky at first. We were breaking out of this major trading range that we were in, and I'm happy to say that I broke even later on the day. And I am pretty happy with how I managed my trades. Like when I got in on my trades, I think I managed them well. Um, there's a couple things I could have done different. I think I could have like left my take profits like alone. I started moving them a little bit, but overall I'm pretty happy that I on the days that I start out red, I wind up breaking even on the day. This is the third day in a row where I've broken even, and to me, in my mind, that is a win in my eyes. So I really just want to show what I'm looking at. First of all, shouts out to Byron Doyle, um, who I was giving a lecture to yesterday. Him and his fiance. We were like in the living room, looking at my trading videos. Let me see if I can pull up a quick video of us. Hold on.
Look at this. Who's that guy? What the fuck is going on? I'm on live TV,
All right, that's it. Enough with that. All right, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so gonna go ahead and look at the hourly. I really don't like these vertical lines. What are they? Okay, they're just showing the day break. So, what I was expecting for the day, we were in this trading range. I guess I should have been expecting that we would break up to the upside, right? We had this massive move to the upside, but much further out than this, like if we were to really zoom out, we're still in a larger trading range, and we broke up. And so I was thinking, okay, we'd probably come down before we picked up more momentum, but we actually shot up to the upside today, right? So we are having continuation. We're probably getting to a measured move of this whole thing. Let's see where this takes us. So that's the 1-to-1. That's the 2-to-1. So we might be really climbing up here. This is a really great day to go long. For me, I didn't really capitalize so much. So like I was looking for the reversal down, and instead we just kept breaking up. We were about up here when I started shorting. I saw a bear candle. I shorted below, and I got stopped out. Let's take a look at what it looked like here. Okay. So these are my trades. We broke up to the upside. Nice strong candle. But I was thinking, okay, like strong candle, at the top of a trading range, I'm looking for a reversal. I see this inside bar. I'm like, I think this is going to reverse down. This was, I think, really stupid of me. I think you always got to look for that second entry, right? But I just got so used to seeing these one bar moves, right? And then it would start climbing on the way down. So how come I can't move back here? What is going on with my chart? This is annoying. Okay, I guess that's the end of my chart. So yeah, I mean right here and then right here, and you know, so really I should have waited for a second candle, you know, even if it was going to be a lower high or whatever. So I got in on a stop here below here. I left my stop up here, right? About 4 points up, and you know, my take profit was just down here. I was just going to go for a quick scalp. Broke to the upside. Okay, now we get this bad follow through. We get up here, and I'm looking at all the reasons why this is probably a bad breakout and that I should be looking to get short or whatever. And I almost took this short right below here. So shout out to Byron right quick. I want to show you how I place an order. So I just right click anywhere where I would want to, right? So let's say I wanted to get short below this trading range, which I almost did. I right click and put sell stop, so when the price hits below this level, it'll flush down to this downside here. So yeah, flush down. This was like, I think 5 points, 4 points, right, to the downside. Hit the EMA, bounced up. Okay, you know, but look at this follow through. It's really wonky, you know, like very, very sketchy. We're at the very top of this big trading range here. It was like up here, right? 39, 39. You can see it here, right? We break up above. I'm like, okay, like I'm waiting for a reversal. We get here. I'm like, okay, you know, if we get follow through at the top of this candle, I'll buy. So I said buy stop, right? So I bet I put a buy. I can't put a buy stop because it's currently whatever, but basically I put in an order here. The price filled here, so now I'm in, and the price moved up, right? And I got a couple points out of that. So now I'm like about only a couple points in the red still. Candle closed, still on its high. Any reason to get long? We're in a breakout. I get long. Pull back, right? I'm disappointed. I'm like, but my stop is way down here. We can honestly check this all out. Let me pull up a video right quick. Let me find where I was getting long here. Right? So I got long up here, and this shit took forever to play out. It was grueling. I had my stop over here, my swing profit target way up high, because I think we're going to break out massively, right? You can see that my take profit was at 60. Let's see where it's at right now. It's right there right now. So I would have had this nice swing on the day. Yeah, it's okay. You know, you live and you learn, right? So checking the 1 minute, I'm like, all right, what's going on here? Right? This is taking a long time. We get this breakout to the upside. I'm like, okay, right? But bad follow through again. And now it gets like really shitty. Like I'm just like, shit. Like, you know, maybe this is a failed breakout on a higher time frame, you know? But I was confident that we were going to move up higher. Why? Because this is all strong buying. Why would bears get short anywhere up here? There's no like really real reason to. We're having a breakout. Micro channel. This was a micro channel here, right? Higher time frame charts, they're looking really strong. Breaking out to the upside. We had closes above all these candles here, right? So bears don't even have a reason to get short. Watch this candle form. It looks strong. This is scary, right? But I'm holding my protective stop. I'm like, I'm not going to get shaken out of this. Like, because normally before I would think like, oh, shoot, you know. But you'll see I try to buy in on a bid later. And these are all bad follow-through candles. And the only reason why I would raise my stop is if we hit a new high. So you'll see that happen. Okay. So see that? I I raised my stop after we reached a new high. So we're reaching that new high, breaking above it, raising that stop. Okay? That way you can allow this thing to ride. And I was feeling pretty good. I was like, ooh, we're going to get somewhere, right? Watch what happens. Bad follow through. And I'm like, fuck me. I'm going to set my sell limit lower because, like, you know, we're starting to form a wedge top. But still, like, I don't see a reason for bears to sell. We're forming another micro channel up here. Right? Just gonna fast forward. Okay. You get this big pullback. And now I'm like, fuck, like I'm scared. But I was thinking, okay, like I'm gonna increase my size and scale in. Because I still don't think, look how close I almost got filled. I still don't think that bears are going to want to short here. Like, if they short, they're going to exit any scalp. You know, this is only like a 3.4 point move. And they can't even close, like, you know, below their midpoints. Watch how this candle forms. My buy limit doesn't get filled. So I take it out. Wasn't too sure of the decision making here. Two bears, doji bear, breakout bear, another bear. You know, doesn't look good. Just letting this shit work it out. I remember just like talking to my friend, like, dude, this sucks. Like, you know, I don't like being in this trade. Like, the trend is weak after a breakout. Like, this isn't fun. But then I kept combating with myself, like, why, if I was on the other side of this, like, why would I short? I wouldn't. I would if I was stupid. So I kept my stop there. Breaking out. And then you'll see it's another bad follow through. Right? Like, just disappointing. And I'm just like, I kind of want out of this trade either way. So I wind up buying 2 more contracts on this dip here. The stop is still below, and I'll move my limit order down to about the highs here. Because I think there should be buying. You know, how come there's no buying here? We had a, you know, breakout 1, 2, 3. You know, this is like a lower high. You know, after a breakout. So, I just didn't like it. I was like, I want out of this. So, you can see I will sell one contract out once I get like break even, just to de-risk. See, I'm going to sell at the ask. The price is going to hit it. Now I only have 2 left. And I'm like, I want to get out on this trade. I just don't feel comfortable. But really, I should have, you know, I really think I should have kept my stop wider below maybe this candle here. And just really let this thing ride up. You know, we're in a breakout. And the 15 minute is still showing a micro channel. And the hourly closed bullish. So I move my stop tighter. I'm like, you know, maybe down here would be better. I don't want to get stopped too short. Just let this ride up to the highs because, you know, I think it has a high probability of getting back up there. And it did. So let's watch it. Hits it, right? And then it continues up. But I'm feeling okay. I'm like, all right, you know, like I thought it was good practice for me to get out. And you can see that it turns back down eventually, right? And I'm feeling okay about getting out. But of course, if we take a look here, we retrace down, hit the EMA. You know, you could put a buy stop above this area here, right? Bad follow through for bears, and went way up to the upside. Look how far this thing is going. My initial take profit was here, and we're keep going. This market is looking super strong, and I honestly don't care that I'm missing this move, because I have a lot of long-term stuff that is going to be making a lot of money off these moves. So yeah, I mean, this is all just practice for me. Like, this is all just for me to learn how to trade and swing trade on an intraday, get used to that. So so I can do this full time one day and really start making some crazy money. So yeah, that was a trading day. Broke even yet again on another day. And take care. I'm going. Bye.